Hello my friends, and welcome to Tom's Tinkering and Adventures, and welcome to Ocotillo Wells SVRA. And that means State Vehicle Recreation Area. This is an off-road area in Southern California, east of San Diego, about 100 miles. And we come out here and enjoy ourselves riding off-road, sitting around the campfire, making delicious food on the Blackstone griddle right there. But this is a pretty good sized park. I'll get the information. I don't know how many acres or square miles this is, but surprisingly enough for California, this is all free. You don't have to pay to camp here. You don't have to pay to ride here. Bathroom facilities here. There's shade structures. There's picnic tables. There's fire rings, so you can camp in those sites absolutely free. Or you can just camp dispersed like we are. You can just set up a camp wherever you'd like. Got the flag flying. So hopefully you enjoy it. We'll see you.
And it's a beautiful day in the desert today. The mountains over here to the west of us, sky's pretty clear. Not a lot of people out here, and you can't beat these conditions. And the old husky's running good. There we go. Get into dual sport mode. Actually, I like having mirrors. I like having mirrors riding out here. That way I can say I'm ahead of people. So the off-road park is all laid out with streets. The trail map that I was looking at, it has all the street names on there. And they've actually done some improvements on that too. They've put mile markers on most of them at this point, so it's really easy to tell where you're at. So you can ride on the named streets, or you can do cross-country travel in the majority of the park. And cross-country travel just means exactly what I said. You just can travel across country without going on the marked streets. I ain't been off-roading in a little bit, so it's feeling pretty good, but you gotta take your time, kind of ease into it a little bit. Stuff, there's not a lot really to be had for that out here, but there are some challenging items. If you're a geology buff, you'd probably love it to come out here and look at the layers. So this is called San Felipe Wash right here, and it kind of cuts across the Ocotillo Wells Park. You get a nice rain, this turns into a river. I've never really seen it flowing too much, but I've seen videos of it, and it will get pretty full on a big downpour. One time we came out after a big rain and it was flowing a little bit, and my son was pretty small and he fell right in the middle of it on his motorcycle. Look at the dogs loving it. She ditched the dogs because they were making her drive too slow. There you go. The Rhino is almost all stock. There ain't too much done to it. It just has a different set of wheels and exhaust. Not a whole lot. It does pretty good. Nothing like the new Razors and stuff. We're just out doing a little family-friendly ride here with Mrs. Tom's Tinkering and Adventures and the Yamaha Rhino, and Mark and Mark Jr. on their very first desert trip together on 2 wheels.
This is a area known as the Pumpkin Patch. Look at the rocks. You know why? See how these rocks are formed by wind, blowing sediment against something, a little piece of something over the years. See, this area is all fenced off, but even outside of the fenced off area, you have some of these pumpkins out here. Pretty neat, and it's a nice little destination to ride to.
Well, here's the super cool Honda XR200R. I think this is a 1994. Kickstart only. It runs pretty good.
You ever take it off any sweet jumps?
Well, let's see if we can get some air on this thing.
You got like 3 feet of air that time.
Whoa, that's massive air. Watch out, Supercross. Well, there's my buddy's son right there. He's doing his very first motorcycle ride. He's doing pretty good. This is his first time moving under his own power. He's moving. He's doing good. First time. All right, now I got him following me. He's doing really good. He's doing really good. All right, now I've taken Mark out before once or twice, and he knows how to ride a street bike, but he's not a natural dirt bike rider. But on the little Honda XR200, I think he's going to be just fine. Perfect slow speed trail bike for a new rider. Oh, look at him picking through these rocks. This ain't really beginner stuff, so he's doing good. Woo, look at the view, man. There we go, we got father and son. Both pretty new riders out here. One brand new rider and one learning still. Hey, we're all still learning. But this is a great place to teach someone how to ride out here. Lots of open area. You know, you can run into some bushes or not. You can jump over some bushes. A little bit of loose sand here. And they're both doing good to it. Nice job, gentlemen. Nice job. He had a couple of fall-offs, but no big deal. He's still riding. Doing good. I took him in the deep sand. He's still learning how to stop. Stuff you find in the desert. Okay, I have to do a voiceover here because unfortunately I was Bluetooth to the truck, but we're all packed up and ready to go. As you can see, the desert is empty. Our friends have headed out and the majority of people also headed out.
But it's been a very nice weekend. Got to teach some people to ride and enjoyed ourselves immensely. Right. If you're digging what I'm putting out, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you're not already a subscriber, please consider doing it. Thank you very much for watching. Get out there and find your adventure. Adios.